This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious virgin strawberry margarita. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of fresh strawberries, 1/2 cup of fresh lime juice, and 1/4 cup of simple syrup. Don't forget 2 cups of ice, a blender, and your favorite margarita glass. Having your garnishes ready, like a lime wedge, makes the final presentation perfect. Now let's get those strawberries ready. Take about 1 cup of fresh, ripe strawberries and give them a good wash under cool running water. Next, carefully hull each strawberry, removing the green tops. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable drink. Finally, slice these beautiful berries into halves or quarters. This helps them blend perfectly into a delicious, slushy consistency. It's time to blend our amazing margarita. Carefully add your 1 cup of prepared strawberries into the blender. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of fresh lime juice and 1/4 cup of simple syrup for that perfect sweetness. Finally, add 2 full cups of ice. Secure the lid and blend everything together until the mixture is completely smooth and has a delightful slushy texture. Your virgin strawberry margarita is almost ready to enjoy. For an extra touch, you can rim your margarita glass with a little sugar or salt. Simply moisten the rim and dip it. Then, carefully pour your perfectly blended, slushy strawberry mixture into the prepared glass. Finish it off with a beautiful fresh strawberry or a vibrant lime wedge for a truly inviting presentation. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.